Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make pork dry fry. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of boneless pork, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and a selection of your favorite spices such as turmeric, chili powder, and garam masala. Next, cut the pork into uniform 1-inch cubes. Finally, mince your aromatics like ginger, garlic, and a couple of green chilies to get them ready for cooking. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's infuse our pork with amazing flavor through marination. In a bowl, combine the pork cubes with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, add 1 tablespoon of freshly made ginger garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of vibrant red chili powder. Mix everything together thoroughly, ensuring each piece of pork is well coated. Let this mixture marinate for at least 30 minutes or even up to 2 hours to allow the flavors to deeply penetrate the meat. It's time to cook our delicious pork dry fry. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a heavy-bottomed pan or wok over medium-high heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add the marinated pork cubes. Cook the pork, stirring occasionally until it's beautifully browned on all sides, which should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, reduce the heat to medium-low, cover the pan, and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes until the pork is wonderfully tender and cooked through. For the final steps, remove the lid and increase the heat back to medium-high. Cook for another 5 to 8 minutes, stirring frequently, to allow any remaining moisture to evaporate and achieve that perfect dry fry texture. Stir in 1 teaspoon of aromatic garam masala and a handful of fresh curry leaves for an extra burst of flavor. Garnish generously with freshly chopped cilantro and serve your hot pork dry fry alongside steamed rice, warm flatbread, or as a flavorful appetizer. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.